The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Tuesday, right? It's Tuesday? Yeah, it's Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great evening. Hope everyone had a great night. Hope everyone's having a good morning. Good everything. Hey, Walter. How you doing? Market's ready to rock and rumble. Let's see what we got this morning. We've been rising. After a little dip. We rose last night, dipped, and then rose some more. Low of the day, 954. High of the day, 035. That's a pretty tight range, actually. Math is not my thing right now. 54, 35. No, 94. Sorry, I was looking at the low instead of the high. Duh. Okay, so I need to wake up, people. 150 points, 140 points in range there. We'll go back. Let's look at copper. Copper about 120 ticks in range. Gold dipped down. Looking like about 13 points in range. Ultra bond dipped, came up, dipped again. A little less than a point of range there. Natural gas. I have natural gas over here. Dipped some. About 400 ticks. And last but not least, we have crude oil that's dipped down back down to 90-ish, up to 91 now. And we have a little less than 2 points in range. So that's where we sit. Last night, Bitcoin kind of crashed. Thanks to the whole FTC and Binance fight. Big dip right there. Saw it happening, quickly exited most of my Bitcoin position. Right. Big dip. It was up at 21,000 yesterday, and now under 20,000. So ES is where we're at. Let's go to a 1 minute chart and see where we're rolling. Okay, still got a Tradovate window. Good. So we roll in. It looks like it's trying to pop back up. You can see here ES over the last 30, 35 minutes. It was up here at 31, 38.30. Now it's dipped down about 10 points. Morning, Matt. How are you doing today, Matthew? Hey, Robin. Good morning to you. How's everyone doing today? See, ES plopped right back down. Typing out. So almost touched that EMA, then plopped down about 2 points. It's not ready to come up yet, apparently. I will be making this little warning here a few times over the next couple days. Today is election day. Remember, we do not talk politics here at MightyOxTrading. Yes. Down toward the bottom here, looking for it to rise. We'll see if it does. See if it wants to rise up and be counted. Right now, it continues to push down further. It's giving back all this. See if it gets back down to 38.16 over here. News this morning, I think, is pretty light. Let's check it out. U.S. Red Book, which I've never looked to figure out what it is. I know it's a magazine for women, but other than that, I don't think that's the report that comes out like once a week. Never figure out what that is. Let's go look. Got some time here as ES continues to fall. But yes, no other news besides the U.S. Red Book, which doesn't seem to move the market, or else I would have already looked this up. U.S. Red Book same store retail sales index. Oh, that's interesting. There's a little pin bar. I think we might now. It might be. Excuse me. It might be trying to head up. Reminder to hit that like button, folks. If you're expecting to like today's stream, that's an interesting move right there. It's a 3-pointer. Right back down underneath. Back down. So this was a reversal candle. That looks like a reversal candle, which means I have no idea which way we're going. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Agriculture overnight. Kind of downish. So up, then down. Everybody look what's going around. Wow, big move down. So it looks like it is trying to revisit this area. Let's see if it breaks that area. After that, you can see we got, well, We're in another period. You can see how it consolidated in this area and in this area. So if it breaks there, we'll see if it breaks there. And if it does, we'll see if it continues to head down to this area. Morning, Deb. How are you doing? Got down to 38.18 there. See what everything else is doing. Gold dipped, coming back up, as did crude oil, and coming back up. Copper been kind of rising. Ultra bond been kind of rising. As we probably can expect a slower market again today. So yesterday had this beautiful rise in the afternoon. The CO's choppier in the morning. Choppy in the morning, choppy in the evening. Good morning, Kim. Glad to see you. Hey, the female traders might be outdoing the male traders here right now. Might be more females than males here. Robin, Deb, Kim. Leave. So I believe this is our high day. I just need to start marking off yes, this high day. Yeah, it was. So this high here, 38, 31 and a half was the high day. It's dropped about 12 points since. Climbed the mountain and started rolling down. So Kim, I decided that next Monday we'll do a evening stream. Maybe Mondays is when we'll do evening streams for now. And then we'll pick up maybe more evenings than once the holidays are over. But I'm a big Christmas season person, so that's why we're only gonna probably do one day a week for the season. I like to watch a lot of. It's the only time of the year I watch TV during the holidays. And listening to Christmas music. Oh yeah, I forgot my binaural beats. It's trying to pop back up again. There's a trigger. See if it goes up. And Q, not really popping there. Shy of it's not really. My earn to trade funded account. I shut it off too early again last night, but up $277. Last night, up $1,328 total in 7 trading days. That said, if I had run a regular mini on it and just let it run overnight on my algo, I'll be up $3,600 just since 6 p.m. Eastern last night. But slow and steady. Thank you. The goal on that, I want to get it up to 5K, which is the most you can make on live sim on Earn to Trade. And then I'm not sure if I want to transfer because it's in Helios. Earn to Trade has 2 funding partners, Helios and Appius. Appius. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. And if I if I go to Appius after that, then I can transfer the remaining 4K after the profit split over, and I don't have to deal with the trailing drawdown. So I haven't decided if that's what I want to do yet. But my goal is, obviously I could be making more by being very conservative, but I want to try and get like 3 or 4 more, 5 more, whatever accounts funded. Pick up some sales, start doing evals with Black Friday. This is a trigger candle here, by the way. And, start making like $200 to $300 a day on 5 accounts. And then start scaling up. That's the one cool thing about the prop firms. If you're confident in the system or whatever, you get yourself more evals and a VPS or 2, and then you can start really expanding. I counted 72 possible accounts from prop firms I trust. Now that went down to 71 because of NinjaTrader. I will not do well. I mean, I have a funded account with NinjaTrader. I haven't figured out what I want to do with that yet. But so if I'm doing 70, if I can do it's $100 a day from 71 accounts. That's a pretty nice thing. But I mean, obviously, I like to scale up to about $1,000 a day. It's possible. from what I've seen on the tests, as long as it doesn't stop working for some reason. Nice, Matt. Yeah, behind scenes, I just took a 5-tick winner on ES on an ETF account. By the way, Tostep has not answered my emails 2 straight weeks now. They have it till the end of the day, and then their branding comes down off the stream. So far, so good, Justin. A little bounce back down, back up. Earned its purple. This one definitely earned its purple back here with that beautiful move down. Yeah, last time he didn't reply, it was just a couple of days that he said he was on vacation, but I mean, this is now, a week and a half. Alright, the wire. Do you do that? Reminder, later this week, we have CPI on Thursday. CPI report's always one of the big ones. Move the market hundreds of points within it for a couple of seconds. And Friday is a bank holiday, but the market's open. Gold pulling down a little bit. Crude popping back up here a bit. Look at copper kind of running there, bouncing off its EMA. Still wonder what happened to Dakota. Dakota missing now for a week and a half. So it's kind of sitting back, relaxing watching the markets. ES is trying to pop back up. Yeah. Let's look at crude. This is a great trigger candle here. Back about an hour and a half ago. Excuse me, sorry. Coming back down. This is also a great trigger candle. Eh. Back up. Was also a good trigger candle. Well, that one kind of dipped, but yeah, it would have been fine with a 10-tick stop. The last three trigger candles have been good. No, because this was I'm emailing my contact directly. I don't think support. I guess maybe they could try and get a hold. He's on. I know he's. I've seen his name on Discord as well in the past. I don't know if he's on there now. I don't know. The thing is, if I gotta continue to, jump through hoops, it's not worth it anyway. Maybe ShareVision bought out Tostep. CL's popping up. Back to ES. ES rising up here. So off that trigger candle, it's come back up. Come back up almost 5 points. Yep, I was thinking the same thing. Like I said, I got 5 ticks. But wish it had been more. So ES hit down here to 38.15, which is, we can see here, which is all that line. You can see here how it hit that area right here, bounced, came down, burst through it, didn't stay down long, and then headed back up and bounced again there. So you can see how this bounced off that same area once, twice, three, 4 times. 4 different times. Broke through once but didn't like it and headed back up. So that's definitely a very important area. And I'll keep that line there to reference for if things move and start coming back down later today. Thank everyone for joining me this morning as we just hit the top of the hour, pulling back a little bit here at the top of the hour. Hope we're all having a great day. Remember, feel free to say hello and chat. Questions, comments, always welcome. I used to say insults or welcome too, but too many people took that one to heart when I meant it as a joke. Morning, Chris. How you doing today? Glad to hear that. Good morning, Sheriff. Pulling down here. Big move. Kind of a bigger move. Got up to 38.26. Already back down to 38.23. So about a 3-point drop here on ES and Q. Also dropping like it's hot. About 5 points. It's a trigger candle. I don't like the setup necessarily, but it might be good. But it also has a good bounce possibility here. And there you see a little bit of a bounce. Oh yeah, good point there, Chris. 954 was the overnight low. Yeah, revisiting that level. Good observation there, Chris. I didn't even think about it when I was looking at it. It's probably something I need to get better at. Remembering levels from the day before, or at least looking at them. Looks like this might work. We'll see. We'll see. We shall see. Mark that out. That's 2 points right there if it hits that. Kind of watching here. Good morning, Burl. How are you doing today? We did get our 2 points there, so that would have been good. Good. That was a good trigger candle. I'm doing all right. That trigger earned its purple. So the last 3 triggers now have earned its purple. And continuing down. So remember we hit. Watch this. See if we can break through that line. See NQ falling fast as well. Almost 20 points since that last trigger. Nice clean moves this morning. Good trading morning. See a nice clean move up. Nice clean move down. And Q's even being pretty, not too temperamental. Ultra Bond opens in about 9 minutes. We are in a pretty decent uptrend here in the 1 hour chart. Bit of a pullback, but still decently uptrending. How high will we go? Are we building up to go higher and higher until CPI knocks us back down on Thursday? No news this morning, except for that red book thing, which doesn't seem to move the market much, if at all. Those of you hoping to become a multi-billionaire, Powerball had some sort of glitch and still hasn't actually picked the numbers. Uh, yeah. Not even sure I'm going to run the algo tomorrow night. We'll see. So we pop back up here a little bit and back down. Up, down, left, right. AV start. Okay. Well, yeah. I mean, I'll run my sims. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to run it on accounts that matter. But we're popping back up. Technically a trigger candle there. I'm not sure I'm trusting this price action though. We're kind of watching. See where we go. We'll see if this trigger works. Remember on ES, on my triggers at this time of day, I'm looking for 2 points. With a 3-point stop is what I will be running right now if you were actually seeing if I was taking trades. Boop, boop. Bro, the worst days for the algo seems to be big news days. FOMC, CPI, and well, basically FOMC and CPI. It has a love-hate relationship with non-farm payrolls. One's been good, one's been bad. But like last CPI on the test, it got blown out of the water. And it seems like even the night before, it doesn't really do well. CPI not until Thursday, Chris, but yeah, oops, I'm thinking it, I don't know. We do have other FUD today, of course. We have the elections, but I don't think the elections are really going to affect anything today. Tomorrow could be FUDish depending on results. I don't know, bro. I know with non-farm payrolls, overnights are different than most other nights. I don't know. It seems like, I mean, I know it gets. I haven't really poured over the individual daily data. I just know, like, it ends up being on the sim test. It ended up being down thousands of dollars on uh, the last CPI. But I didn't look. I did not really pour over you know the daily data from that day. So I mean, it might be fine. And like I said, I'll keep the tests running. I just maybe not uh, keep it on a live account, or maybe just do like one micro. I don't know. We'll see. You see, ES trying to come right back down. So did not. As of right now, this still hasn't hit stop. But technically, it's a trigger candle back down. We're looking like now we're getting kind of choppy, choppy. Now it would have hit stop. So yeah, that was a trigger candle back down right there. And that would have been a good one to take. Maybe. Well, we'll see. I can't judge it yet, but we'll see. So, jumping back out of there, taking that loss would have been a good idea. Would have only been like half a point of loss. Let's see if it goes to. We might be in choppiness here. Choppiness. But this trigger candle did not earn its purple. It earned a blue. And thus it's going to be blue. No, denied. So yeah, we're in chop now. So we shall wait. Let's see here. Oh yeah, I forgot about the Ultra Bomb, but the Ultra Bomb didn't really do much at its open. Little pop. Morning, John. See the Ultra Bomb rising up. There's NQ triggering. That was a trigger back up, but after getting, after seeing this chop, I wouldn't have trusted it. But if that one would have worked, that one earned its purple. This one did not. I gotta change its color. Actually, no. Let's just switch these. Heading up, heading up, heading up, heading up. Well, that's everything else doing. About 35 minutes until the crude oil market opens. You see crude's been grinding up here. Gold's grinding up as well. How you doing today, John? How's your trading going? That's awesome. John, that's excellent. I cannot wait until I get my first payout. It's gonna feel so good. As we see ES rising back up. Pulling back down. So hit that same area, 38.26, 38.26, no, 25, 38.25, 38.25. Nice. John, I shut it down after a $272 win last night, so it's up about $1,358 in 7 trading days. But I've been much conservative on it. That's with running 5 micros on NQ and shutting it down basically after 1 trade. If I had been, I have a test on the same exact parameters, and if I had been running 1 mini and let it run through the night, it'll be up $3,600 today. We're seeing a trigger candle back down, so choppy choppy. I don't know, probably not until next week, only because this week, tonight we're gonna have election FUD, tomorrow election FUD, and then Thursday CPI. And then Friday, of course, is Veterans Day, so that's a bank holiday. So probably gonna, I don't know, still gonna try to get it, nurse it up to about two grand, and then start letting it run overnight. This was a trigger candle, obviously so far not working. Let's see what happens. Looks like it's trying to head back up toward these levels here. Yep, and I'm hoping that, Black Friday I can pick up some new evals, start really duplicating this to like a power of 5. Coming back down. Very choppy here. We saw good, clean moves earlier in the morning. Now we're seeing choppiness. That's a good question. Technically, no. Well, that's a technically yes and a technically no. Uh, I'll be using VPS services. We found one that costs about $10 a month. Or, I mean, it also, I mean, if like if I bought 5 evaluations from one company, like say Apex or Elite Trader Funding, etc., that can all be done on one. If I have 5 accounts from one place, that can just be done on one computer as well. Nope. John, I have not. I've sent 2 emails to Topstep that have gone unanswered. They have until the end of the day to get back to me, and then I'm taking down that banner. And at this point, I'm sponsorless. It's trying to get back up here to these highs. Very choppy. Like I said, we're staying out. I'm not waiting. Right now, I'm not waiting for payout from anybody. We talked about Tick yesterday. Not really waiting for payout, but they just decided to be stupid, and they never. They decided that because they sponsored 1 month back in July, that they didn't need to pay me for any other traffic sent to them, even though I sent them about $3,000 worth of traffic. So I should have been owed about $300, but and then they took away my ability to even see my statistics. So Tick, I would advise not doing business with. MightyOxTrading will no longer ever do business with them unless they decide they want to actually. Oh, I am waiting on payout from ShareVision, the other platform but I'm never going to see that either. They owe me about $2,000. That platform I was streaming to at night. Yeah, they owe me for July and August and September. Yeah. Well, hopefully, I'm on the pace now. I'm on the right path now that I will never need to have a sponsor again. Yep. You want to buy them for me, Burl? The thing I mean, I plan on, the plan is, well, I shouldn't say the plan. One thought is, I think I discussed this yesterday, but I never know who was here and who wasn't at the time. Uh, oh crap. Um, there are 71 possible accounts from prop firms I trust at Certain Trade. One of Tostep, UProfit, Apex, ETF, Blue Sky, Volanox, Lilu, and maybe I forgot one. And it'd be awesome if I could get all 71 of those accounts earning, $500 a day on them. Now, the only thing about UProfit is if they have that daily loss limit, which bothers me. Yeah, there's a broke this level here. We see it topped out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So this last trigger candle was legit. It's too legit. Too legit to quit. But, so yeah, that's the ultimate goal. I just, need to have money to build them up, and then the VPS services, etc. But yeah, the goal is to keep building accounts, and of course, also my own brokerage account. So somewhere between 70, 75 accounts is possible. Whether or not that just becomes a more of a burden than it's worth, we'll see as well. But yeah, UProfit's definitely on the list. I forget what the max. I think the max on UProfit is 2 accounts. But that might be not that might not be right. I'm not even sure. I know it's 2 per our rhythmic ID, but I'm not sure if there's a limit to rhythmic IDs. Morning, Speed Racer. High a day on ES 38.31. We're about 4 points away before that pullback. So yeah, nice move there on the NQ as well. But yeah, definitely you profit on the list. Oh, huh. Well, maybe we can get closer to 100 total accounts. I don't know. Like I said, I mean, this is a overall, thought as we continue on. Obviously, it's not going to all happen at once. And the algo is still in testing phase too, Maybe the market changes in, couple months and totally blows the algo out of the water. But that's why we're continuing. The algo itself. I believe the algo itself is pretty resistant to change. It's the settings on it, the profit targets and the stop losses and stuff, that would might need to be adjusted as we go on. You know, if the market's not moving as much, or the market starts moving even more than it does now. Oh, honestly, I wish I could go, find some historical charts like, like 5 years ago that with for 1 and 5 minute charts just to see whether or not this would have still worked back then. I'm sure it would have based on this, but like what kind of parameters would be needed for it to work? Just yeah, I don't know if we're ever going to see the levels that we saw before COVID. It seems like the current volatility is here to stay. And that said, I posted a tweet I saw on. I posted a tweet I saw on Twitter. Well, where else would I see a tweet? I posted it on the Discord last night that the S&P futures, the top of book liquidity, was below 6 million on Friday. The average 5-year average is 16 million. So it seems like there's liquidity going out of the market, at least based on what that tweet says. So we need to get more people involved in futures. John, yeah, well, Live Sim, I'm on a funded account with Earn to Trade. I'm up $1,358 in 7 trading days, being very conservative. But yeah, my Earn to Trade funded account is with the algo. Actually, my Tick, I do have a funded Tick account that I'm not sure what I do with, but that was $40 from being blown last week, and now that's I've gained $400 back on that, also using the algo with just one micro. Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. 087 recent high on NQ there. See there. We're 45 minutes from the bell, 15 minutes from the energy market opening. I mean, with Earn and Trade, I could take the payout now, but it would make the drawdown suck. But my goal, John, is to build it up to five. Well, the live sim on Earn and Trade, you're limited to $5,000. So my goal is to get up to 5,000, take the 4,000 after the profit split, and then go from there. Tick, I'm not even sure I want. I thinking with Tick because of the way they screwed me, because they claim that they copy um, your trades to the live market, and I don't want them making money off of me. So I may end up just taking one trade a week there just to make them continue to pay the data fee each month. I don't know yet. I don't really want to continue doing business with them, but I wouldn't mind continuing to cost them money. Um, but yeah, with Earn a Trade, I want to get it up to the 5K, which will then move me to a live account. And then, yeah, like I said, Black Friday, I'm hoping to have a little bit of extra money that I can get a couple more evals, build those up, and start doing like, you know, 5 funded accounts, and keep getting more and more exponentially. I mean, I personally been testing this strategy before we ever made an algo out of it. So I've been doing it for about 6 months. The algo's been in existence, I don't know. Justin, when did you start bugging me for the algo? Uh, let's say the algo itself about 4 months. NinjaTrader makes it hard to backtest real far because of contract rules and stuff. I mean, it's all based off of 20 EMA cross. So I mean, if you want to get technical, let's turn back time, shall we? Let's go to a daily chart. This is NQ. Turning back time, and let's turn off the JIMA. And just this is years ago. And even on a daily chart from back in 2019, I mean, takes the cross. I mean, now you can't actually use it on a daily chart. Well, I mean, you could if you're swing trading, obviously, but it works the same way. It's all it's. I expect the basic parameters to work in any market at any time. It's just adjusting the stop loss and the profit targets. This is all. It's a very basic strategy. It's just, is the market right for a 30-point target or a 15-point target with a 20-point stop or a 10-point stop? It's all about adjusting the parameters versus whether or not the strategy itself will work. John, this is the most confident in a long time I've been that something's going to actually work in my life. I actually feel positive feelings, and I don't get that often. I just want a period in my life that I can just feel relaxed, where I don't have to worry about anything money-wise. That's the ultimate goal. I don't care about getting rich. As we watch ES try to get to daily highs here. 38, 31 and a half is daily high. We're 1 point away. I don't care about Lambos and all this other stuff. I want just a feeling that I never have to worry about paying a bill or, where money's going to come from to do X. And then I want to be able to help people. Not sure I would even fit in a Porsche. That's the other thing I need to do is I need to get myself healthy so I can enjoy all this. I mean, I'm not. When I say healthy, I mean get get this extra weight off and actually be able to enjoy life. I just, it's the helping people thing. I mean, I have things I want to. I want to continue increasing my baseball card and memorabilia collection. and stuff like that. But it's things like just if a friend is struggling, I want to be able to help them out and then teach them the trade. And but picking out a random GoFundMe each day and maybe hit it, sending money that way. And I mean, each day picking a charity and saying 10% of all trading income from that day goes to that charity, and do that each day. Things like that. That's what excites me. Hello, I'm a buy low and sell high. Welcome. Awesome. Glad to hear that. Should soon see Ace and RJ walking in. Pulling down. So did not quite hit high day. Got 1 point away. As we approach the top of the hour. Morning, Ace. And how is Ace today? Whoop. Bouncing back up there. Yeah, price action is a little weird this morning. Well, I mean, it was clean earlier, but now it's trying to come down here again. I like blustery days. Good morning, JC. How are you doing today? So, Ace, we may need to put another person on a milk carton along with Vincent Nieves. Dakota has been missing now for a week and a half. Yeah, I hate it when people just disappear and you never know if something happened to them. Oh, Chris, here in Central Illinois, they won at 73 on Thursday afternoon and a low of 27 Friday night. Yep. High of 73 Thursday, high of only 38 on Saturday. Now, see, my dream place would be to spend it somewhere where it snows 6 months of the year. Or a lot more. Nah, I could never live in Florida. Humidity and hurricanes. Give me Norway. I'll take Norway. I mean, or Buffalo, New York. Someplace snowy. Oh yeah, I can never stand the heat of Texas. Yep. Did not go short here. And new high. Nope, still not a new high day. You know, the thing about, with cold, you can always put on more layers. There's only so many layers you could take off of the heat. Wow, now we got new high day. It's a new high day on the ES 3832.75. Did NQ make a new high day? Did NQ make a new high day? Where's my daily chart? Or my hourly chart? Uh, yes, NQ's new high day 11.10. Excuse me, 11.102. to the left. Uh, So overall uptrend continues here. You can see this is the NQ. I'm not sure why I haven't really switched over to ES, but you can see how we've been in an uptrend now for 2 days. ES just continues to rise up here. So this is a good trigger candle right here. And this one definitely was not a good trigger candle. About 25 minutes to the bell. Good luck on that, Chris. $125.16 UV. Pulling back. So new high 38.34, 75 NQ. Market is just screwing with Ace this morning. uh, Here it's coming back down for the A's. Uh, Good morning, Crypticon. How's things going for you? Tired. I'm yawning a lot again today. I'm yawning a lot lately. I'm not sure why. Ooh, another big Bitcoin dip there. Bitcoin could be in trouble with this whole FTT thing again. So I think next Monday night we'll be doing an evening stream. We'll probably do a Monday evening stream each week through the holidays. And then we'll look to increase that after the holidays. Crypticon, are you serious? A break is always good. And perhaps, Crypt, if I can make a suggestion, if you come back, um, don't do so many contracts. Slow and steady, man. Slow and steady. I'm very happy with where I'm going right now. I'm up $1,300 in my funded account, and I'm making, I've been doing about $200 to $300 a day. And I think that's, you don't need to be doing big swings and like you are. Build up to that, build, and where a couple bad trades isn't going to blow your account. But that's just unsolicited advice from me, who has not been a consistent trader yet, but is working on it. Well, my algo is working on it anyway. Great job, Chris. Morning, RJ. A lot less stress when you're not, like, going huge, in my opinion. You obviously had the skill for it, Crypticon. You obviously do lots of good trades, but a couple of bad ones can blow you out of the water. That was a trigger candle there. Let's see if it earns its purple. Is it a purple earner? These are the questions we ask ourselves on a daily basis. Oops. Sorry. Okay, good luck with that, JC. We're just kind of watching and waiting for the bell. 15 minutes till then. Ring-a-ding-dong. What's everything else doing? I didn't check what crude did there at the open. Let's see. Crude market open here. Can you tell? Dropped. 20 ticks. Back up. And nice move up afterwards. Gold's been sideways. Copper grinding up. Ultra bond falling. Natural gas, big fall. Not afraid of falling. On the folks, if you're enjoying today's broadcast, please hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Sorry. Crypticon quit and came back all within 10 minutes. Matt, RJ and Ace joined the chat. JC went short. And I announced evening streams for Mondays. And Chris got a win. And we were talking about weather and where we want to live. Rollo, yeah, so far we have not found anything that works on UV. CFT was even trying and didn't find anything yet. But we will continue to try and figure that one out. I believe there's probably something that works. Just haven't put a lot into it yet. I might have to do some manual charting out of UB, and to try and see if I can figure out a parameter. Yes, it is hard to trade without a face, so be careful, JC. That'll be interesting, Matt. Let's see that. Glad to see that we don't put you in through enough work that you actually have time to think about other things. So you can see this trigger candle here. It still has not earned its 2. It has not earned its purple stripe yet. Now it's earned its 2. Nice move down there. There we go. Oops. Let's give it its purple. One day I'm going to make up merch that says I earned my purple. So you can see this morning, this is the first one after the stream started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 wins, 3 losses. Based on if I follow every trigger candle. There's ways to make sure you don't follow some bad ones. But, so, you know, wouldn't be real profitable, but it would be profitable. Nice, JC. Nice 5-tick winner there. Good job. So we're about 7 minutes from the bell. 8 minutes from the bell. Something like that. Ugh. That's a good question as well. A lot of things going on with Bonds. James Bonds. Just kind of sitting here as we wait for the bell. Yep, we're sideways. So we'll see where we get to there once the bell rings. Have a great day, JC. We'll see you tomorrow. Right up and right back down. If I had to guess today, I'd say the direction's down. But it is just a guess. I will not try to claim I know it's going to be down. We're heading on down to that deluxe. Oh. Uh-oh. Let me know if the stream quality starts sucking. YouTube's telling me I'm not doing enough video to maintain. I'm not seeing any problems. Not seeing it there, Chris. Be careful. No data. The stream will end shortly. Guys, are you seeing this still? Okay, is it still spinning, Matt? Okay. Hopefully it's... Remember to hit your live buttons to get you back to live, as we are 1 minute from the bell. Poor quality. I'm not sure what's going on. $30 to the bell. is now. So let's go to our ding 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 ding. Okay, good. Glad you can see and hear me. Let's watch this. So right at the bell, it popped. ES popped up about a point and a half, not much. Down we go. 4.5 points on ES, 10 points on NQ. Not real fast. No idea why you were having errors again. Thank you, Comcast. NQ down 20. Not like blowing down. Oh, blow me down. Oh, sorry. 6 points down ES. I did say I thought it was going to be down. 25. Break through that resistance line, support line I drew out earlier, and there it goes. It's still giving me warnings here about stream quality, so continue to hit that live button. Hopefully this clears up soon. Guess we can get rid of that support line that just blew. Now it's saying no stream at all. What the heck? I don't understand what's going on. Nice, Chris. My speed test isn't horrible. ES down 11.5. NQ down 40. Wow, look at that 5-minute candle there. Still has a minute to go. $13 points down ES on the 5-minute candle, 44 on NQ. A little bit of a bounce there on crude. One second. back, guys. Sorry. So it looks like the stream may have gotten a little bit better. It says the bit rate's low, but not so bad that it's going to cut out. So 5-minute candle there ended up being down 29 on NQ and 10.25 on ES. Let's zoom back in on ES. Go back to our 1-minute. Wow, big. So off that. Well, actually, okay, so that one got 2. It popped back up a little bit and then came back down. This was a new trigger candle, and that would have been beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. You can see 14.5 points from there. That trigger candle was 5 minutes before the open. So less than a minute there, Chris? I think the stream stabilized now. You guys can hear me, right? Yeah. Okay. uh, so, driving down. Driving Miss Daisy. Bitcoin continues to fall. I think I was smart to sell out last night. Wish I'd sold out a little earlier, but either way. Copper pulling down a little bit. Natural gas continuing to pull down. Little pop back. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. We're just kind of watching. No real opportunities here right now. At least not from my trading style. Gold. Little dip. Coming back up. Now, the Speed Racer, where do you feel you're struggling? Because everybody has different styles. He's a quick scalper. He's in and out. And he likes reversals. I noticed that. Okay, so we are back to an excellent connection now. So stream health back to normal. What do you mean, who, Mr. Nasdaq? Big pop there, 4 points. Try to head up. Oh, Chris. Let's talk about Chris. He likes to play reversals. Reversals always seem to burn me. Nice, Crypticon. Stretching. Yesterday I stretched and got a cramp in my neck that wouldn't go away for an hour. I must be getting old. And right back down. So you can see ES is giving back almost everything, which is very nice of it. It's very charitable. Yep, chopping around. We're closed yesterday. Low of the day, 3,800 exactly. Oh wow, how nice. And I believe RJ called for 3,700 something, but I don't remember what. I like bread and butter. I like toast and jam. There we go. So we're just kind of watching. It's kind of boring, but sometimes trading is boring. That's why we trade together, so we can all be bored together. Oh wow. So yeah, Dow's coming up nicely. While NQ and oh, look at the Ultra Bond. Wow. So Ultra Bond and Dow coming up nicely. ES and NQ down, but NQ's trying to come back up now. I mean, ES is trying to come back now. Uh, it's looking like ES wants to pop here. Nice. Getting the best of both worlds there, John. Ace got quiet. He must be already be on breakfast duty. Does ES want to come up here? Oh, there's a nice move up. There's a nice move on ES. ES try to catch up with the Dow. Hits the Bollinger Band, comes down. Nice move up. Earned its purple. Yep, nice move on NQ. And look at this Ultra Bond running. Whoop. 20 ticks. Dow's breaking. Oh, great. I hate it when things break. We need to fix them. Yep, nice move on the Dow there. Rising up. Everything's kind of coming up now. You see copper coming up. Ultra Bond coming up. ES coming up. NQ coming up. Gold's coming up. And crude did try, but decided not to. Look at this beautiful move up on ES. I did catch a trade on that. Under ticks. Wow. Nice job, RJ. Yep. Watch it go. Ultra Bond just pulled back big. A little bit of a pullback for here for everything. Still rising up here, 38.25. High day, 38.34. YM still trying to push up. Ultra Bond as well. Copper as well. And we're watching. Market can't really decide what it wants to do today. Right? Maybe coming back down, maybe coming back up. We'll watch and we'll wait and we'll see what it does. Remember, a lot of trading is patience. Patience is a virtue. Or is virtue a patience? Long here in ES. From Ajay. Ajay Khan. YM keeps going and going and going. Can it take us higher? Dashing. Yeah, NQ's pulling back. ES pulling back. Ooh, big pullback. About 5 points. That's a trigger candle down, but I don't like it. I don't love it. And I don't want some more of it. Unless you're into that sort of thing, Ace. Wow, whip back down. We are whipping here on ES and NQ. Don't know. Why are you having an issue, Ace? I went on their Twitter and not seeing anything there. I'm back 5 days and not seeing anything there. Glad they didn't take that short. Wow. Once again, looking at my test algo, it's given back some. Not a lot yet, though. I got the algo that I would run on Earn a Trade. It's up 32.15 on the day. Was up as high as 3,600. Wow. It's kind of like a tree. Tree doesn't realize it's being chopped until it's being chopped. Going back down. Down, down, down in a burning ring of points. I'll probably be happy when I go to Christmas music. Did you just give back, Chris? Oh yeah, I see that. 050 you went long. Market went short. Well, you learned a lesson. And it's coming back up if you stayed in. Hopefully not for much longer, John. Hey, can you drive now, John, or do you need someone to drive you? That'd be a little wide. Little wide. Yeah, definitely. I agree there. ACC it's hit there 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Have a good day, John. See you tomorrow. Be careful. Oh, in the sun. Nice. Good job, Ace. Bounced off. I played that bounce off the resistance. Good job. Boring day. Right now, boring day. It's a quick move. It's heading back up. Popping up. Market doesn't know which way it wants to go. Copper run. Run, run, copper. Release kind of sideways here. We have about 50 minutes to go in the stream. Hopefully we can get some more good action here. If you haven't hit that like button yet, I'd appreciate it if you did, if you feel like it. No pressure. Weaving a sweater. Yeah. That's an ugly chart right there. See a chart like that and you just kind of stay away. Oh, wow. Look at gold. Wow, what just happened on gold, guys? Gold popped up. Holy crap. 83 up to back up above 1700, pulled back a little bit, but it just gold blew up by like 15 points. Checking financial news to see if there's something that just caused that gold rush. I don't see anything. Oh, look at that. Wow. First time above 1700 since the 10th of November. So about a month, just under a month. But I didn't realize that gold really blew up. I somehow totally missed that Friday that gold went up 45 points. Wow. Would have been nice to be on that ride. Oh, look at ES all of a sudden popping up. All's well. Awesome, Speed Racer. Glad to hear that. How's everybody else doing out there, guys? Moving on up to the deluxe apartment in the sky. So remember, high on ES was 34, sorry, 38, 34.75. We're rising back up. AQ finally also trying to find a direction upwards. Ultra bond kind of flat. Good luck, Chris. That doesn't look like it's working out for you there, Chris. Great job, Matt. Excellent. Let's try and get back up to high day here. Jeffersonian trades? What are Jeffersonian trades? Oh, duh. Never mind, I'm stupid. I read Jeffersonian and I was thinking that was the name that they used for the museum or the whatever in the show Bones. Are we going to reach new high day here? These are the questions we ask ourselves. These are the hard-hitting questions. Whoa, boom, the question was answered. New high day on ES. YM continues to move up as well. You still in on that YM, RJ? Did you get out? And Q? Not quite high day yet. 104 is the high. So new high on ES 38.36 even. Nice, John. How's your day going, Walter? You're like the first one to talk today, then I didn't hear from you again till now. Were you a meteorologist in a former life there, Chris? Higher. Higher and higher. That's okay. You don't have to. Yeah, it's always nice to hear from you. Don't ever feel pressure to chat. 38.35. 38. I'm not sure why I just had an Irish accent. I didn't try. 38.38.75. New high day. What did lean hogs do today? What did lean hogs do? Ooh, big move down on lean hogs. Wowzers. Stretching as we just kind of watch. You know, we had that really choppy period, so there's no way I could trust it. But you know, if you look at it, even during the chop there, you can see the uptrend when you zoom out, like I have it out now. Excellent job, Speed Racer. Pull back here, though. Hey, Freighter. Well, thank you for stopping in. I appreciate that. See you tomorrow. Thank you, RJ. Thank you, Kim. Try to make it quality. Try to make it quality. Try to have fun. Try to enjoy yourselves. Try and make money. You're right, RJ. I really do need to do that. It just sometimes it piles on, and I'm just I get flashbacks to my childhood of when I was constantly made fun of and bullied, and just it's just a hard thing to sometimes come out of. But I do appreciate you all. Yeah, YM's pulling back. Copper pulling back. ES pulling back. NQ pulling back. Crude really pulling back. Gold got kind of sideways right above, well above 700 though. Up to 712. So it popped from 682 up to 712. It was about 30 points in about 10 minutes. Thank you, Chris. I appreciate hearing that. That's a good question. I don't know what call. You know, I'm not seeing any news. Looking again, financial juice. But I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, crypto is hurting today. And this is the thing about crypto is, you know, you know, Bitcoin came down that, huge when Luna blew up. Now we have this FTX FTT thing blowing up, and that's causing Bitcoin to drop like a rock. There's Nasdaq and NES trying to pop back up. Everything's that was pulling back is kind of circling back up. Kind of bouncing back down now. And we're kind of just choppy a little bit here. High of the day on ES 38.38.75. In the year 38.38. Sorry. Let's try it again. Good. Good luck with that, Chris. Chris, weren't you gonna stop like 3 trades ago, though? Kind of hemming and hawing here. Hemming and hawing. Yep, there's another new high day. Oh, we're swirling. Hopefully that clears up here in a minute. Remember to hit the live button. Ooh, big burst. There's 38.40. 38.40 and a half. YM pushing up again, as RJ said. Or predicted, or whatever you want to say. Ooh, big move there. Big move. 41. NQ. Up 12 and a half on that candle. Extreme quality is probably suffering here a bit. Don't know what's going on again today with my frickin' internet. You still green on the day there, Chris? Swirling again. Don't know why we're having issues today. Thank Comcast, I guess, once again. Great. Yep, it's having issues. I don't know why. Uh oh. Okay. Continues to rise up. Remember, keep hitting that live button, guys. Hopefully this clears up in about 20 minutes. Next time when you say you want to stop, listen to yourself, Chris. Remember, 500 a day is more than 90% of people make. Up, we might be getting kicked here. I can't keep the stream going. I don't know what's going on. Streamlabs is saying my stream quality is good. Sorry about the quality today, guys. ES 38.44 now for the high. And Q got up to 11126. Nice rise up there, but kind of sidewaysness on the Ultra Bond. Hopefully we can. Okay, good. I keep getting an error. It says error YouTube not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. And showing swirling, but I don't know why it's doing it. About 20 minutes to go on the stream. Obviously a beautiful move up here by everything. Off that trigger candle there that I marked. And these also have been trigger candles, but this is was a chop zone, so it's really hard. But off of this one, I see about 26 points, which is a huge move on ES. Although I'm not, it's still a huge move in ES, but I'm not sure. It's not as rare. Definitely not as rare as it used to be. It seems like we're seeing good 20-point moves here on a regular basis. People do get addicted to it. I had a guy tell me once how he lost $1 million business because he was too into trading to continue running the business well. It's going to continue to run, I guess. YM continuing up as well. Beautiful move on YM. CA, it's fun to. And that's another reason I, kind of like the idea of the algo trading for me. There was a time I thought I do enjoy trading, but you know what? If the algo can do it for me, It's gonna give me so much time for other stuff. And we're just gonna continue to run here. It's gonna go to all-time highs. Probably not, but you know. Stretching. I mean, I like the thought of making money when I sleep and nap. I guarantee you, the algo starts trading for me regularly and making me money. I will be taking more naps. Probably not during the stream, but I can't always guarantee that. I have fallen asleep during my evening streams twice. Trigger candle. There's two different types of trigger candles. Reversal trigger candles, which is what that was after that moved down, and then pullback trigger candles. So for those of you that are having issues, if any of you are having issues with swirling, I apologize. I don't know why I'm having issues today. I do want to thank Comcast for their quality internet. Thank you, Kim. That said, if this ends up cutting out, we'll probably end for the day. But so far, hasn't cut out on me. Hey, Eric. How you been? It's been a while since I've seen you. Jimmy. Wow. It's been months since I've seen you. The algo that was written based on my strategy, Jimmy. ES still trying to grind higher. Pull back just tad there, but hope everything's better, Eric. Dow leveling out here a bit. ES still trying to, and NQ still trying to head up. Glad to hear that, Eric. Wow. Did not think we were going to see 38.49 today. But we saw 38.49 today. That was a bit of a pullback. After it hit 38.49, it pulled back by 2. Chris, they're mostly 24. Yeah, they're almost all the time anymore. So as soon as this round ends, you're going to have people announcing they're running for president and all this other stuff. Seems like you never get away from the politics anymore. That's why we keep MightyOxTrading a political free zone. Although, if YouTube runs an ad for politics, I can't prevent that. But the talk on MightyOxTrading is politics free. No, I don't think Chris has Discord. I could be wrong. How's everything been going, Jimmy? See NQ, this big 66-point candle. A little bit of a pullback here. I'm sorry to hear that, Jimmy. Okay. So we found the top was 38.49 it. And Q is also pulling back here. YM, kind of straight. Well, speaking of Discord, reminder that MightyOxTrading does have a Discord now. If you haven't joined it, and you want to, you should. Building a nice little community there. I need to get some more activity going there, but we'll work on that. If we bump up and then back, bump down. Let me try that again. Never mind, just coming down. Technically a trigger candle. It's hanging here at 38.43. 38.43. Just a couple minutes left here. Figures because the stream quality has settled out. Remember, folks, it's not nice to fib. Popping back up. We're popping fresh dough. Have a great day, Chris. We're about ready to head out here as well. Great job, RJ. Wonderful job. Okay, folks, that's where we're going to call it for today. It was an interesting day. First we chopped and then we went. If only we went shopping. No. Anyway, hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. See how the market does after the voting comes in. I shall talk to you all then. Have a great rest of your day, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.